Just saw some dolphins. Let me see if they come on the surface. There they are. There they are. That is so cool. Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm located in Emerson Point, located in Bradenton, Florida. Yeah, Bradenton, yes. I want to make sure I spell it correctly. I'll probably put the spelling below. And in this specific point, this Bradenton Point connects directly to the Gulf. What you're looking at is exactly the Gulf. I think Anna Maria Island is that way. The Interstate 275 bridge is over there. And I know you can barely see it. Hopefully with the drone you'll be able to see it once I shoot it in the air. Fort DeSoto and Shell Key is that way. And Egmont Key I think is that way. Not sure if I'll be able to capture with the drone or not, but I'm still gonna try. So without any further ado, I'm gonna get right to it. Alright, so I was able to get the footage that I wanted, although due to the fog in the morning, I wasn't able to see Egmont Key and Fort DeSoto, but I saw Anna Maria Island and the Emerson Point, of course. Sorry, a little shaky. I wanted you guys to see it. So right now I'm heading to my car, which I have all my gear. I'm gonna go and get started and inflating my boat. Over here we have Manatee River. This river right here, you guys I believe saw part of it from the air. I'm gonna go check it out. That's basically the plan. I want to show you guys this area, most of it as much as I can, and end the boat in the water. So let me go get to the car and get started. There are beach trails around this area right here. You can walk in there. Some trails. I saw some other trails that way as well. Here's a parking lot on the Emerson Point. Yep. The boat is almost ready. I'm about to hit the water. Alright, let me finish up with the boat. Alright, so right now I'm coming off of the Emerson Point Park. The current currently is taking me to the Manatee River, which I want to check out. Once my engine warms up, we'll head out. Alrighty, engine is warm. Let's head out to Manatee River. Very nice. The waters are a little choppy, but there's still some good sights to see. That sailboat right there. That's pretty cool. They got their own dinghy in there hanging. I like this place. It's nice. I see a wrecked sailboat. Let me see if I can capture. There it is. There it is. I'm gonna see if I can go to it. Going towards the wrecked sailboat, I saw this pirate ship. More like an abandoned ship. Look at it. That looks so fascinating. Oh, that is so cool. If I had a way to get in there, I probably would. Oh, that is sick. That looks so cool. Looks like it's been there for years. Look how much it has deteriorated. Is that a rope? Yeah, it looks like a rope. Wow, that is so cool. See if I can go around it. Caroline Sea, Palmetto, Florida. a Palmetto, Florida pirate ship. All right. On my way to the wreck sailboat. I guess you probably shoot the drone from there, and because there'll be less wind. All right, I reached the calm area of the waters where the wrecked sailboat is at. Here it is. I wanted to see it. Let me go around it. That's pretty cool. All right, enough of that. Now the waters are pretty calm in that section. I think I can settle down there for a minute and shoot the drone, because I can't have the water being too choppy and me shooting the drone. All right, let's get to it. All right, right now I believe my friend Jason is almost here, so I'm gonna go meet him over there by the Emerson Point. And once I meet him, we'll start doing some more adventuring. Stay tuned. Whee! Yeah. Not as choppy as it was before, so I think I can handle it right now. Yeah. Still a little choppy. Not that bad. Here it is, my friend Jason has arrived.
Hey, good morning everybody.
I'm gonna put a description or a link to his channel around here on the page. You guys can check it out. He's got his gigantic kayak. He's gonna do some fishing. And I'm gonna watch him fish. Because I don't do a lot of fishing, so I'm not very good at it.
We'll get you into the groove. We'll get you into the groove.
Cool beans. All right, my friend and I are on the water. Let's see what we're gonna do. I might go towards the bridge over there. I'm not sure. I might try to head out and see if I can get some footage of that. All right, so it is a little choppy. It really is. May not look like it, but when you start going fast, you start to feel it. And with a small inflatable boat like mine, it's well, it is multiplied, unfortunately. So I'm gonna head back to my friend and look at some stuff over there. All right, I came back with my friend. He told me there's little islands in this section. I'm gonna go check him out. Let's see if I can check some little islands. I can manage to swell just fine, but in a slow pace. Cannot go fast, but it is manageable. I love my little boat. It has its limits, but I still love my little boat. Okay, I think I found a spot where I can park in the island. I want to shoot the drone and see what it looks like from the air. All right, let's get in there. All right, I made it to the island, although I don't have a lot of space to play with. Not a whole lot. I'm still gonna shoot the drone. I'm gonna use my little cooler as a base and put the drone in it and show you guys this little island from the air. I'm gonna get to that. All right, so I got the footage that I wanted from this place. I got the little island. I got the Emerson Point. I showed you guys part of the Vanity River. And I'm gonna go meet my friend, see if he caught anything. But soon I'm gonna be not terminated. Look at me. I'm gonna be finishing up this video. So today we're gonna be staying in an Airbnb that my friend reserved. And although it's not close to the beach, I should be able to get the sunset. So I'm gonna save some of the battery of the drone. So when it comes near sunset time, I'm hoping to catch it. So let's continue. All Alright, so I found my friend again. He said that all the fishes took the bait.
Yeah, I believe they were lady fish, bait stealers. 5 of my baits taken from me right away.
Damn it! Hey, but it's beautiful. This place is beautiful, though.
This is gorgeous. I'm working my way to spot number 2 right now.
Spot number 2. Oh, I'm gonna crash. Yep, we're gonna crash.
Oh.
Yep, my bad. Oh, it's on camera. I got it on camera. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna join you.
Yeah, I was gonna try that little inlet over there.
All right.
And then see if I can make my way around and see what's over there. I haven't been over there.
Let's check it out.
Okay.
Let's go. I'm currently in a section of mangroves where there's quite a lot of fishes jumping in the water. Got my friend over there fishing. Yeah. Very peaceful. I like it. Just saw some dolphins. Let me see if they come on the surface. There they are. There they are. That is so cool.